Hey guys, Mrs. PIB and I are at another junkyard, salvage yard, whatever. I'm kind of looking for, I'm just looking, of course, maybe a better seat for left turn Bill, my 84 C10 truck. But chances of finding one are pretty slim, just to be honest with you. But I just like getting out, walking around the junkyard. A little less 10. There's an OBS, but it's loaded down, and I'd say there ain't no seat in it either. Nope. If there's ever a decent seat, it gets gone. I'd like to find either, I don't know, beige or black or something. But like I said, my chances of finding one are pretty slim, but you know what? I'm walking around, I'm making use of a beautiful day other than it being windy. Yeah, that's nicer than anything we're driving. So, yeah, bunch of wheels. Bunch of wheels. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's just a windy day, but I gotta tell you, it's warm today, so that's a good thing. There's an OBS truck. Go over here and look at it. But I know there's not going to be nothing in it. I guess OBS truck seats go in a bunch of, you can put, of course you can put them in anything, but there's another one. I'll check it out. But I'm looking for, yep, it's gone. Gone? Yeah. Huh?
Gone.
Gone, she said. This one's got a seat, but I'm sure it's not any kind of color I could use. Nope. Burgundy. Not a bad seat, but it's burgundy. Can't use burgundy in left turn Bill, or I don't want to. Just kind of looking around. Isn't it a beautiful day?
Yeah, and I like this grass.
I like this grass too. That's a nice seat, but not the color I need. Maybe I'm being too picky. But the seat I have in, hey, there's one. Let me look at this, please. The seat I have in a left turn Bill matches left turn Bill, and
What do you want, brown?
I'm looking for 10.
Ooh, look at those seats.
Yeah, look at these seats.
Man.
But see, I got that 4-speed there, so I don't know how much they would. Yeah, that's.
Somebody needed some good seats.
It's got a bad spot there.
Man, pretty nice.
Yeah, I've already got a. That would just get worse and worse.
Yes.
I got a funny feeling I'll be just buying a new seat cover or something. But that was beautiful seats.
I have a seat cover for it.
I know, but I'm talking about a real nice seat cover. We'll put that one on that you have. Just kind of look around. There's no square bodies here. I've said that so that way I will accidentally find one. But no, there's no square bodies here. This junkyard is fairly new, maybe 2 or 3 years old, and there's not any.
Listen, you know what this sound is? That's the sound of it's getting warmer.
Oh, isn't she a keeper? Hey, I like that little GMC right there. That's cool, ain't it? Hey, there's an OBS truck. But, boy, I bet that was pretty. That's Dodge.
Yeah, it's got a broken window.
Oh, you're looking for, yeah, we're still looking for that window for a Dodge. There's another one. Burgundy. Burgundy was a popular color seat's gone. Well, while I'm here, I gotta look at this little S15. I said S10, but yeah. Look how nice that seat is. I mean, other than down there at the bottom. I bet that was got gauges and stuff. That might have been a V8 truck. Who knows?
V6.
Yeah, V6. But I'm saying somebody might have put a V8 in it. Don't hit me again, please. I got you on camera. Well, I think we're just walking around for no apparent reason. They got a lot of stuff, but it's like everybody else. There's nothing.
If you needed it for a newer car.
Yeah, for a newer car, yeah. Let's go. Let's go up through here. Huh? Oh, okay. I bet it's gonna be a. I bet it don't have a seat in it. I bet it's gone too. Boy, some of these vehicles are nicer than we drive today. There's another one, but it's burgundy. I gotta watch where I'm walking. I step in a hole. Gone?
Would have been 10.
Why? Yeah, it would have been 10. Well, let's mosey on over here. I don't want to spend a lot of time in a place that doesn't have nothing when I maybe could find something somewhere else. So, watch out for some of these holes. Don't want you to hurt your knee. Well, if you had a new vehicle, you'd be in luck. Hey, this one's got something, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Sorry.
You're fine. Gray.
Gray, I don't want gray. Kind of stinks in there too. Let's shut that door. Well,
Cross-reference to see what kind of seat you put in that?
no, I just know I have to remember that there's a 4-speed in the floor and I have to have enough room to shift. I'm just looking to see, even if I find something, I don't know how much I'd want for a seat, so time's on my side. The seat in left turn bill is still a good seat. I mean, it's got some rips in it. If you've watched my older videos, right where the driver sits, if I'm sitting in it, you'd never know there was a rip, right? Well, let's get back down here to reality, I guess. Another junkyard over here, and they're pretty busy. Maybe we might go visit them. I don't know. I just don't want to get in a bunch of mud. We're supposed to maybe meet somebody this afternoon, and I'm not wanting to look like I've been rolling around in the mud, right?
Right.
So, just kind of looking around. Dang, these cars are new. Hey, check out this old Oldsmobile. If you've ever, yeah, they cut the top off. That's in a bad wreck, wasn't it? Boy, if you've ever rode in one of these Oldsmobiles, like from the 80s, oh man, they ride like a Cadillac. I had a friend that had one, and that's a 98 too, top of the line. I wish they still made Oldsmobiles and Pontiacs and Saturns and Plymouths.
Saturns?
Well, yeah, I mean, just for cheap transportation. I mean, a lot of people, well, I don't know why I said Saturn. Anyway,
Plastic first.
yeah. Let's see, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, Plymouth. I'm sure there's some more that's skipped my mind. Seat's gone out of that. Guys, I guess I'm going to end the video here. I'm sorry if I wasted your time, but 'tis what it is, as they say. I appreciate you watching. You're watching Primer Is Best on YouTube. If you'd like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And have a second YouTube channel, Man on a Budget. I'm on Instagram, Man on a Budget 1, and Primer Is Best Facebook, Primer Is Best Instagram. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. We're going to go hit another junkyard. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. You won't miss anything. God bless y'all. See you later.